try. I can see you all up here, all at once. And if there's anything that I've learned from all of you is that it's so much cooler to be happy than to be sad. So put your hands up and bounce in the happiness, bounce with the music.
Happy in the club with the bottle of red wine, stars in the rest, 'cause we're up in the good time.